Hey guys, John here from Diode. Today in the garage, I'll be showing you how to install our Stage Series A-pillar kit like you see here for the 2019 Plus Polaris RZR XP. Let's get started. Starting on either side, use a 15mm socket to remove the bottom bolt from the A-pillar. Grab the included spacer, add it to the bolt we just removed, and loosely re-secure the bolt to the vehicle. Remove the top bolt, then slide the driver's side A-pillar bracket over the bottom bolt. Grab the spacer for this side and place it between the A-pillar and the bracket. Thread the top bolt through the bracket and the spacer, and re-secure everything. Use a level and make adjustments as needed. Repeat for the other side. Now we're ready for our wiring. If you're connecting to a bus bar, skip to the timestamp below. Next, to access the battery, reach between the driver's seat to lift the release lever on the back side. Then pull the seat forward, up, and out. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the positive and negative terminals and add the positive and negative leads from your harness. Take the DT connectors and route them how you see fit, keeping away from any hot or moving parts. This vehicle has custom wiring installed already, so we will not show this. We recommend routing the harness along the driver's side door sill, across the dash, and into the back of each SS3 pod. You can mount the toggle switch in the location of your choice or use your own switch. If you have a factory bus bar, use a 10mm socket to loosen the positive and negative terminals and add the positive and negative leads from your harness. Remove the T25 screw on the bus bar and use this as a location to mount the relay. After that, route the DT leads to each pod and mount the switch where you prefer, or use your own switch. Now we're ready to assemble our SS3s. Drop the supplied nuts into the slots on the side of the pod with the nylon ring facing the inside. Then slide the universal bracket over the back of the pod and thread in our 5/32 Allen screws and washers. Repeat for the other pod. With our SS3 pods assembled, plug in the DT connector and place them on the A-pillar bracket. Secure them by dropping our carriage bolt through the U-bracket in the A-pillar bracket. Then feed on our washer, lock washer, and nut. Tighten using a 13mm wrench. Test for function. With everything functioning properly, repeat the same steps for the other side and secure any loose wiring up with zip ties. Make any final aiming adjustments. Once you have those where you like, tighten the pod in place using a 5/32 Allen and a 13mm wrench. As you can see, with our Stage Series A-pillar kit installed, not only do you have a custom off-road look, but you also have a significant increase in light output, whether you went with our SS3s or SS5s. If you're interested in picking up an A-pillar kit for your RZR XP or any of our other kits, head on over to our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you'd like to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.